प्राइम मिनिस्टर, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का हम शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। Nasa takin ko bengila Mizoram in railway service.
Chibai, hello Mizoram. Welcome to this historic day. Today Mizoram capital gets railway connectivity. I congratulate all of you collected here in thousands to this great historic day. The Bhairavi-Sarang railway line was a very, very challenging project. It includes 45 tunnels and 55 major bridges. It is practically a series of bridges and tunnels. There's a bridge, there's a tunnel. Then there is a bridge, then there is a tunnel. It's like that. That's the way this line is built because of the Himalayan mountains and the deep valleys. In fact, one bridge in Mizoram is taller than Qutub Minar in Delhi. This line will now connect Mizoram with Guwahati, Kolkata and Delhi and many other destinations. Today, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will start 3 new trains. First, Rajdhani Express to New Delhi. Second, Mizoram Express to Guwahati. Third, Kolkata Mizoram Express to Kolkata. Friends, the railway connectivity will help the entire country experience this beautiful natural beauty of Mizoram. Tourist arrivals will increase. Homestay will become very popular. New jobs will be created, friends. And we are also starting cargo operations within this week. Cost of cement will reduce. Cost of steel will reduce. Time taken to bring the daily household items will significantly reduce. What used to take days will now be done in hours. And above all, we are also starting one refrigerated coach. The beautiful turmeric, the beautiful ginger and the very, very unique fruits of Mizoram will now find new markets. Friends, all this was possible because of our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's strong leadership and firm commitment for Mizoram. I request you all to stand up and say, Kalome Modi ji. Please stand up, all of you. Say, Kalome Modi ji. Say with me, Kalome Modi ji. Kalome Modi ji. Thank you, Modi ji. Thank you so much, friends. Friends, development of Northeast started when our Prime Minister Modi ji started the Act East policy. Before that it was only Look East. Modi ji started Act East. I'll give you one example. Before 2014, the budget for railway for Northeast was only 2,000 crore. Only 2,000 crore. Modi ji increased it 5 times to 10,000 crore. That is the Act East policy of Modi ji. Today, railway projects of 77,000 crore rupees are undergoing construction in the entire Northeast. That is our Prime Minister's doctrine of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. Friends, together we will all work to make prosperous Mizoram. Once again, I welcome you all to this historic day. Thank you. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Kalome. Namaskar.
Pulal duoma Mizoram Chief Minister zaom takchong alom thu kan soya huai le rinom taka ram aka ishwaina hnuaya ma kan sonzel kan beise ani ये हमारा सौभाग्य है कि आज नई रेलवे लाइंस के साथ 2 और परियोजनाओं का उद्घाटन और 6 नई परियोजनाओं के शिलान्यास होने जा रहा है, जिसमें शामिल बैरबी साइरांग नई रेल लाइन, साथ ही रोड माइनॉरिटी एंड ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी के लिए एजुकेशन, स्पोर्ट्स, एनर्जी सेक्टर से जुड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं। इस उत्साह भरी और ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से अनुरोध करती हूं कि वह रिमोट बटन दबाकर इन परियोजनाओं का उद्घाटन और शिलान्यास का अनावरण करें। The Honorable Prime Minister let us witness a short film giving insights on these developmental projects. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का हम शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। अब मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से अनुरोध करती हूं कि वे 3 रेल सेवाओं का हरी झंडी दिखाकर शुभ आरंभ करें। तुनाह्यान फ्लैगशिंग ही अवयंगा तिचुआन रेलवे सर्विस अरोन इंटन दोननी kan zawai na rem chuan kan ho tu pa screena lan sung hian loading zelang u nasa takin gut bengila Mizoram in railway service anei ta ani tuna hian Rajdhani Express Sairanga changa Anand Vihar Delhi akal chana Sairanga changa Guwahati Assam a flag of Megboka Sairanga changin Kolkata West Bengal rail akal chan Megbok ani vo in hi nitsin sia tak a milestone, a historic day in the history of Mizoram and transport and communication in India. Gutben Thalawila, our Prime Minister is flagging off Gut ibeng zelang kanon thok